Already we have finished our first chapter, geometric constructions. Now some students asked me their doubt how to solve practice set 6 and practice set 7. Now I will explain how to solve it. So question number 1, practice set 6, question number 1. Write the names of pairs of congruent line segments. Use a divider to find them. Now here, observing this figure, you have to write the pairs of congruent segments. For that you have to use divider. This is a divider. Okay. So here, see here. See here, distance segment MG, distance of MG and distance of GR equal, and therefore segment MG congruent segment GR. Okay, your first statement. Now second, see here, segment MG congruent segment NG. Second statement, segment GE congruent segment GR. Okay, third statement, segment BG. Now see here, and segment CG. This is one pair, segment BG congruent segment CG. Or you may write more pairs also. That means segment MG congruent segment GE. Okay, segment GR congruent NG, like that. Now question number 2. On the line below, the distance between any two adjoining points shown on it is equal. Hence, fill in the blanks. Here, distance any two adjoining points equal. See here, distance of PQ is equal to distance of PZ is equal to YZ is equal to AYX is equal to XW, WA, like that. That means suppose this distance is 1 unit. Now we have to fill in the blanks. Now here, first statement, segment AB congruent segment dash dash. Now here segment AB is there. That means point A and point B here. That means a distance between point A and point B is 1 unit. So you can choose any 2 points having distance between them 1 unit. So here segment AB congruent segment PQ, congruent segment PZ, congruent segment ZY, like that, congruent segment BC, congruent segment XW. So we can write any one answer. Now second, segment AP congruent segment dash dash. Now here segment AP. Here, so distance between these 2 points, distance between points A and P is, we will count how many units are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. Okay. So choose any 2 points on this number line having distance between them equal to 5 units. So you can use QW or ZB, okay, or AP, like that. So AP is already there. In this way you can choose CY. Okay. Now segment AC congruent segment dash dash. Third statement. Now segment AC. So 2 unit distance is there. Okay. So choose 2 points on this number line such that the distance between them is 2 units. So segment AC congruent segment BW or segment YW or segment AX or PY or QZ. Now statement 4, segment dash dash congruent segment BY. Now BY, this is point B, this is point Y. So the distance between B and Y is how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So choose any 2 points on this number line having a distance between them 4 units. So here, so segment BY, so segment QX congruent segment BY, segment PW congruent segment BY, segment ZA congruent segment BY, segment XC congruent segment BY. And now fifth statement, segment YQ. So this is Y point and Q. So distance between point Y and Q, points Y and Q in 3 units, 1, 2 and 3 units. So choose any 2 points on this number line such that the distance between them is 3 units. Okay. PX, that means segment PX congruent segment YQ, segment ZW congruent segment YQ, segment YA congruent segment YQ, segment XB congruent segment YQ, like that. And statement 6, segment BW congruent segment dash dash. Now BW, 2 units. Distance between points B and W is 2 units. So choose any 2 points on this number line such that the distance between them is 2 units. See here, segment BW congruent segment QZ, congruent segment PY, congruent segment ZX, congruent segment YW, congruent segment AW, like that. Okay. Now we will solve problem set 7. Now practice set 7. Question. Some angles are given below. Using the symbol of congruence, write the names of pairs of congruent angles in this figure. Okay. Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 figures are here. So in first figure, angle AOC is bisected. OB is the bisector, and angle AOB is equal to 45 degree, and therefore angle BOC also 45 degree. So total angle AOC is equal to 45 plus 45 is equal to 90 degree. So here, see here, angle AOC is of 90 degree, angle PQR is of 90 degree. So both angles having equal measurements, so these 2 angles are congruent. So congruent angle means 2 angles of equal measurements are called congruent angles. So therefore the first pair is angle AOC congruent angle PQR. Okay, now see here, angle AOB is 45 degree and here angle RST is 45 degree. Therefore angle AOB congruent angle RST. This is another pair of congruent angles. Now see here, angle BOC of 45 degree and angle RST of 45 degree. So this is one more pair of congruent angles. That means angle BOC congruent angle RST. Okay, now see here, angle DOC is of 30 degree and here angle LMN is of 30 degree. Both angles are of equal measurements. So another pair of congruent angles is angle DOC congruent angle LMN. In this way you can solve this practice set 7. Okay.